Ready? This is my mixer here. We put it in these buckets here and chew up the pulp and the sawdust. We get it all mixed up. After we got it mixed up real good like that, we take our scoop over here. I got 2 buckets here, and we're going to fill these pans up. We got 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Looks like it takes about 5 gallons, maybe a little bit more than that mixed up here when we get it all compressed down. I mixed it about 50-50 on the paper and sawdust mixture. I'm going to put in one level here, then I'm going to squish this out, and then I'm going to top it off again after we get the first bit in there squished down. This is all mixed up about 50-50. 50% paper, 50% sawdust. We get an air hose here. We're using that air for the drill and for our press. We're just going to kind of ease up on this thing, not too fast, because it'll really send that water shooting out. Okay, I'm going to take it down here, and I'm going to top it off with a little more of our paper and sawdust mixture.
Excuse me.
It's kind of cold out here in the garage doing this, but wanted to get the whole thing working pretty good. I've already collected quite a bit of paper and cardboard. So we'll get this mixed up a little bit and get some of it out of the garage. Got to put this side in. Got the back ones in, but I didn't put the front ones in. There's quite a bit of pressure on this jack. I think it's a 2-ton. Use it in body shop. But I just want to get it up there slow, get that water to compress out of there. She's running out pretty good. We'll let that set here for a minute or so until that water quits dripping and I'll try to put a little more pressure on it. Got a lot of pressure on there now, full blast. Once we got that water out, we'll take the blocks out. Take our pans out. I'll scrape a little bit of this paper mixture that's on the edge. Put it right back in our bucket. Now I'll take our pan over here. I'm going to get a drying rack made. These are 4 that I put out just a little while ago. Just take it, flap it down like that. She's got to dry for a couple of weeks. And we'll have some more firewood at the house. Instead of sending all of this paper and sawdust to the landfill, we'll use it for heat. But it compressed the water out pretty good. We get 4 of these out of about 5 gallons of sawdust and paper mixture. By the time it's compressed, it all expands pretty good, and it soaks up a lot of water right to start with. But all that junk mail, all the cardboard boxes, all the sawdust, we put it all in here. We'll get some use for it. There's 4 to go. This is my stir stick here. I got a couple of saw blades on some threaded rod and my drill, and it mulches up that cardboard and paper pretty fast with some warm water. I got it ready in about 5 minutes of mixing. Let it soak for a little bit. If you don't want to do the saw, then you have to let it soak and break down that paper and cardboard. But you still need to mix up the sawdust in it so that you get the sawdust all between that paper. The sawdust won't hold together without the paper binding it. So you like using a paper mache for that sawdust. Well, the press works pretty good. We'll let these dry for a couple of weeks. We'll show it on the next video. We'll show you in the furnace it burning up if it gets dry enough here. It's almost winter time, so it's going to take a while before these dry out. But maybe I'll move them down to the furnace room after a couple of days and see if they'll dry out quicker. Until the next post, thank you.